Your payment gateways are only the deciding factor in how your subscription business will work. If it supports recurring billing, you're fine. If it doesn't, your renewal workflow is stuck. That's FluentCart's new subscription update, which means full control over renewals, payments, and if a renewal fails, you're not waiting for the gateway to tell you. Here's how to set it up. Inside FluentCart settings, there is now a dedicated subscription section with a brand new option called Who Manages Subscriptions. It's a simple feature with a big impact. By default, it's set to Gateway Managed. This is the familiar behavior. If you're already using Stripe or PayPal subscriptions, the payment gateway continues handling the recurring charge, and FluentCart syncs the subscription status inside your store. Let's switch over and see how it works. Before applying the change, here's an important reminder. Changing the billing mode only affects new subscriptions. That makes it a safe transition. You can adopt the new subscription engine for future subscriptions without interrupting subscriptions that are already running. Okay, let's continue. I'll go with Store Managed. Here, you can see an option that allows FluentCart to save the customer's payment method and automatically charge for future renewals. For now, I'll leave it as it is. Save the changes and show you how manual renewals work. But don't worry, we'll come back to that shortly. With this setup, every renewal will be handled manually. This is especially useful when you're accepting payment methods like bank transfers, cash on delivery, or any gateway that can process payments but doesn't support recurring subscriptions. So let's see how it works. Here's one of my subscription products. When a customer visits my online store and moves on to purchase the product, at checkout, the customer has two options. They can pay using Stripe or PayPal, which support recurring subscriptions natively. Or they can choose any other payment method that does not support subscriptions at all. Let's find out if they choose a different payment method. Once a customer completes checkout, the subscription is created inside FluentCart. Right away, the status says that the subscription uses manual renewals. If you hover over the badge, FluentCart shows that the customer must pay each renewal manually. That makes the collection method clear for the admin team. Everything you need to manage that subscription is available right here. And the three dots make the overall subscription management even easier. Open Edit Subscription, and you can update the customer's subscription information from here. Need to update the subscription price? Go for it. Adjusting the number of billing cycles or changing the billing interval only takes a few clicks. You can also update the subscription status or edit the next renewal date whenever needed. Pausing or canceling a subscription is just as simple. You can even send renewal reminder right from here. In case a customer needs to be billed early, simply create the next renewal right away. Or if you'd rather give them a break, skip the next billing period with a single click. Everything is designed to make recurring billings easier to manage. FluentCart gives you a structured workflow that keeps everything organized from start to finish. But manual renewals are only one side of the story. Let's head back to the settings and enable automatic charge to see what happens when customers save their payment method during checkout. To see how it works, I'll repeat the customer journey. Just like the previous one, when a customer picks a plan and goes for the checkout, they need to provide all the details. Inside the order details, everything looks familiar. But take a look at the status badge at the top. The subscription is now store managed with automatic charge, which means FluentCart will automatically charge the customer's saved payment method on every renewal date. That changes the entire renewal experience. And the settings here are pretty identical with the manual subscription management. You can easily send customers a trial and reminder to keep them updated. This is a big help when you're working with free trials. A customer can join the trial with a $0 checkout, but FluentCart can still save their payment method securely in the background. So when the trial is over, the system can automatically charge them using that saved method, and the subscription moves into the paid cycle smoothly. And whenever you need, You can even trigger the next renewal immediately with Charge Next Renewal Now. Now let's talk about another reason this update is such a big deal. Automatic billing is great, but handling failed payments is where most subscription businesses usually lose customers. That's where FluentCart's new subscription system really shines. Instead of silently failing, FluentCart automatically retires the payment based on your subscription schedule. Your customer receives an email explaining exactly what happened, along with a secure link to update their payment method. If payment still isn't completed, the subscription progresses through clear statuses like past due before eventually becoming expired. Everything stays visible for both you and your customers. In subscription-based services, keeping customers informed is just as important. That's why FluentCart comes with built-in notifications for every important step in the subscription lifecycle. Whether it's a renewal reminder, a failed payment, or even a skipped billing period, FluentCart can send customers emails for key subscription events. That's all about the new subscription management system in FluentCart. It's a completely new subscription engine designed to give merchants more flexibility, more automation, and more control over recurring revenue. Whether you prefer gateway managed subscriptions or want FluentCart to manage everything for you, the choice is now yours. If you sell memberships, recurring services, software renewals, subscription boxes, or any product with ongoing bill, this update gives you a more flexible way to manage subscriptions inside WordPress. You'll find the complete release notes linked in the description below to explore everything included in this release. Try the new workflow, see what works best for you, and keep growing your subscription business with FluentCart now. I'll catch you in the next one.